Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Jeep Compass radio. We will start with a quick and easy soft reset. This method is excellent for clearing minor software glitches or frozen screens without affecting your personal settings. Simply turn your ignition to the run position, ensuring the vehicle is in park. Then, press and hold both the volume and tuner knobs simultaneously for about 10 to 20 seconds. The screen should flash the Jeep logo and then restart, often resolving common issues. Next, let's check the fuses, as a blown fuse is a common culprit for radio problems. Your Jeep Compass has fuse boxes located in a few places, often under the hood or beneath the dashboard. Consult your owner's manual to pinpoint the exact location and identify the fuses responsible for your radio and amplifier, usually labeled as fuse 19 and fuse 20. If you find a blown fuse, replace it with a new one of the same amperage to restore power. If a soft reset and fuse check don't work, a deeper system reset might be necessary. You can perform a full electrical reset by disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery terminal for at least 5 minutes. This clears residual power and can resolve more stubborn issues. After reconnecting, start your Jeep to check the radio. For newer models, a factory reset can also be done directly through the Uconnect System Settings menu, which will clear all personal data. Finally, if you've tried all these steps and your Jeep Compass radio is still not working, it might be time to consult a professional. Issues like a consistently blank screen, complete loss of sound, or recurring glitches can point to more complex problems. These might involve faulty wiring, a defective radio unit itself, or even issues with the vehicle's central computer system. A certified mechanic or dealership has specialized tools for accurate diagnosis and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.